कार पे साइकिल चला रहा है, कार पे। मेरे तो बंदी हुई है साइकिल ही देख पीछे से।
म्यूट कर लो भाई सचिन।
चलानी बंदी हुई है लेकिन वो कॉल लग रहा है।
सचिन काइंडली म्यूट योरसेल्फ।
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है।
हाँ
सचिन काइंडली म्यूट योरसेल्फ।
नहीं मेरा दो सचिन है, सचिन दूसरा वाला सचिन।
सचिन गोयल को।
सचिन गोयल म्यूट।
Okay, let me share the slides. I hope it is visible to all of you.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay, so last class we have been discussing about the drift and diffusion, the transport of carriers. Okay, so drift, we have seen the drift due to the holes and electron, that current density equations, where J drift is Q mu P into P plus mu N into electric field, where mu P and mu N on the mobility and P and N the carrier concentrations of holes and electrons respectively. Now next is the diffusion. Please mute if anyone is unmuted. Carrier transport, another mechanism, that is the diffusion. As I told, diffusion is nothing but that is due to the concentration gradient. Okay, so if you have the concentration gradient in the regions of semiconductor devices, so carrier will transport from one higher concentration to lower concentrations. So suppose this is the diffusion. Suppose this is the diffusion carrier concentrations in particular T0. Okay, in some locations. This is the X semiconductor, suppose in one dimensions. Okay, what happens at T greater than 0? Obviously, it will start to diffuse, because from higher concentration to lower concentration, because this one is lower concentration, these are the lower concentrations, so it will try to diffuse and concentration will be like this. Okay, so concentrations, so higher concentration to lower concentration is still moving the carriers. So that is the just transport of the carriers through diffusion process. Okay. And what is the current expressions if the carriers are diffused? Obviously, there will be a concentration gradient term. If you see the current density due to the holes, if I consider, then dP by dx this term you see, that is the concentration gradient, okay, and some diffusion coefficient of the holes and the Coulombic charge, okay. So that is the due to the holes, and similar will have the due to the electron if you have the electron carrier concentrations, okay. So the driving force is the gradient, nothing but, okay. And total current due to the, yeah.
Sir, what is the DP and DN?
Capital.
Which one? Diffusion coefficient of the holes, and Dn is the diffusion coefficient of electrons. So that is the diffusivity D, or diffusion coefficient, okay.
Okay, sir.
And if I say that you have both in the semiconductor, you have the drive component as well as diffusion component, then we can get the total current due to the holes, J total due to the electrons, sorry, not holes, N is the electrons. This is the drift part, as I discussed in the last class, Q, mu, and N, E, and this is the diffusion part. Similarly, if you have the due to the holes, total current density is drift and the diffusion, okay. So there is one important.
X the distance.
Sorry.
So what is X?
X is the distance.
Right.
dP by dx the concentration gradient.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, why for hole it is positive, electron for it is positive and for hole it is negative in the equations?
Okay. So here the dP by dx, okay, concentration gradient. Which one you are talking about? This one?
Yes, sir. That equation J total.
Oh, okay, okay. So dP, this is the dP by dx is negative. Okay. The concentration gradient is negative, and the whole charge is positive. So as a whole, you are getting this one. Okay. And this concentration gradient is negative, but electron charge, sorry,
Is negative also.
The
is also
direction of
negative.
is it to drift?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Electron.
I will show this some numerical. I will not discuss. I will share. Already I have shared these slides. I have uploaded in the RM channel lecture slides. If you find in the files in the folder of lecture slide, you will find the this lecture slides. Okay.
Sir,
So,
Sir, can you show the last slide for a
Yeah.
second?
Sir, it means that dP by dx is negative. It means that hole's concentration is decreasing with distance.
yes.
Why? Sir?
Because always you are getting this type of slope. Okay. That is the dP by dx.
Okay, sir.
Or dN by dx. Okay.
So first it is increasing.
Where it is increasing. This is the, suppose my concentration gradient at some time, then it is diffusing. Okay. So it will diffuse through this from higher concentration to lower concentration. Diffusion will take place only from higher concentration to lower concentration. Spontaneous rearrangement. That is the diffusion. Okay. So please mute. So I am not going through this numerical. You can see. Okay, so the numerical are solved also, because I have only one class. One thing I have to take. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. I want to take one extra class. Okay, because I could
New
not.
Year, sir.
New Year.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No problem, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
9 a.m., sir.
Because
Tomorrow one day, sir. Tomorrow one day.
let me clear. Let me clear.
Sir, you can
Let me clear first.
second.
Because
Again.
I have missed 2 classes due to some my other meetings and other things. So I have to finish my portion. Then Arpan Majumdar sir will take your classes. So I want one extra class, then I can finish. Okay, my portion. So when you want to
Sir,
take
if you want, then
tomorrow,
you can take on
Sir,
Sunday.
day after
Sunday,
tomorrow.
Sunday.
On 2nd
Yes, sir.
Jan.
You can take on
If
Sunday,
you want,
sir.
then you can.
No.
Next
No,
okay,
sir.
day after tomorrow.
Saturday 10 PM is
Okay,
okay,
Hey,
sir.
no
New
bad.
Year,
Who is that saying Sunday?
New Year. Okay, fine. I am leaving. So Sunday on 10 a.m. again I will take one class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Let me share my another module 2 portion. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So whatever we have discussed, the different type of semiconductors and their transport, how the and the carrier concentrations and the transport of their carriers. Please mute. Some noise is coming, background noise I'm getting.
Everyone please mute yourself.
Sir, one thing I have to ask in the previous slide,
Previous slide again I have to share.
sir. Sir, just 1 minute.
Okay, just let me finish this one, then I will come back. Okay.
Okay.
So PN junction is basic, very simplest device, semiconductor or electronic device. Okay. Already you have studied PN junctions. So you know the PN junctions in the class 12, some basic knowledge you have or
Yes,
not?
sir. Sir, we have.
Yes, sir.
We
Okay,
have.
so you,
Yes,
very
sir.
good, very good. So what
Yes, sir.
can you tell me some specific any technical term of PN junctions? Technical term means terminology. What you have learned?
Forward bias.
Passive depletion layer or biasing.
Bias, forward bias, someone is
Bias.
telling you.
Generator.
Forward and reverse bias.
Forward bias,
Yes.
reverse bias, fine.
Drift
Yes,
current.
sir.
Depletion
Depletion layer.
Reverse. Collector emitter base.
Depletion layer.
Mobility.
Not PN junction.
Mobility.
Amplifier.
Okay, a lot of things you know. Fantastic. Come on. Okay. So I don't need to give the lot of effort here. Okay. PN junctions you know. Okay. Considering that I am forwarding. Okay. Already we know the P type and N type semiconductor that already we have discussed. Okay. So here if you see in the P type semiconductor, sorry, in the P type semiconductor, what we have the holes, majority carriers, electrons with the minority carriers, and some negative ions. Already we have discussed in our previous class. Okay. Please mute. So if you see, this is the P-type semiconductors and this is the N-type semiconductors. Okay. And P-type semiconductor, you have the holes or majority carriers, that plus side, blue colors. Minority carrier I have not shown here, and the negative ions are there. Okay, acceptor ions. So similarly, you have the N-type electrons or majority, and the positive ions are there. So if I plot the concentrations, schematic sketch of the concentrations, so we can say suppose if I want to see the P-type, the holes concentrations. Here it is high. I have shown this sketch. Holes are high. Here holes are less. Okay. If I consider the n electrons, so these are the majority carriers in the n type, and I have shown the negative directions because negative charge, and here the holes are very less in p type. Similarly, if I show the Nd, the donor ions here,
Yes.
okay, and there is no donor ions in the p-type case, okay. Similarly, Na, that is acceptor ions, there is no acceptor ions here, but you have acceptor ions which are negative. I have shown in the negative directions, okay. So in all cases, individually, the total charge is 0, okay. Fine. Now, these are the P and N separately I have shown. But when we have made the P and N junction, what will be happening? Okay. So what will happen?
Diffusion of charges will happen.
Fantastic. Diffusion of charges will be happening.
Yes, sir. Layer will be created in between. That is opposite to the
Potential barrier, sir.
Yes.
Potential barrier. Fantastic. Potential barrier will be developed. Due to what?
Yes, sir.
Due to opposite charges.
So
Due to the hole and electron
Due to the mobility of the ions from the P junction to the N junction.
Due to what the potential will be developed?
due to electron
Creating of the
Due to fixed ions.
Electric field, sir.
Okay.
due to diffusion.
Let me clear this. Please mute.
Negative polarity of
Please mute. Okay.
Sir, in
So when
N
we
type,
make the
there
PN
will be a
junction,
positive field.
please mute. When you have the PN junctions, when you will make, okay, PN junction, how will make? Suppose this is my P-type semiconductors, okay, and I have doped very small region. This is the N. So this is one PN junction. PN junction we can create. Okay, so this type of semiconductor device we can make PN junction. Okay, so whenever you P and N junction, you are making like this one. Okay, so at t is equal to 0, suppose whenever it is made, just so as in the previous slide I have shown that this is the concentration gradient in holes and electrons, you have the concentration gradient. Okay, so and also you have the concentration gradient of acceptors and a donor as well as acceptors. Okay, as we have shown in the previously. Okay, when you will make close to bring to the P and N together, then you will have this type of concentration profile where you can find that this whole there is a concentration gradient at the junctions. Similarly, you have concentration gradient at the junctions, and you have concentration gradient of ions, donor as well as acceptors. Okay. So next, what will be happened? This is at t is equal to 0. Suppose when it will be in equilibrium, what will be happen then? Due to this concentration gradient, the holes will diffuse. Okay. Similarly,
Yes,
electrons will diffuse.
diffuse.
So what is the transport here? Transport mechanism is diffusion, not the drift, because we have not applied any electric field here, because PN junction without bias we are considering. Okay, so the transport is only due to the diffusions of the carriers. Okay, so when hole will diffuse in directions and electrons will diffuse in these directions, but these are immobile because they will not move across the junction, this donor and acceptors. Okay, so when now you know already in the class 12 that electrons and holes will diffuse and it will be neutralized at the junctions. Okay, so up to this I think you have the knowledge.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. So semiconductor chapter is not in our मतलब टीचर ने अच्छे से नहीं करवाया था 12th में.
Sir, you're not audible.
Sir, I think I'm muted.
Hello.
Are you there, sir?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
yes, sir. So
Yes, sir.
someone network is gone. Okay. So due to the diffusion, due to the concentration gradient, there are diffusions of carrier at the junctions, electron and holes. Okay. So that already same thing I have, whatever I have explained, diffusion will
Again, sir, you are not audible.
Not audible.
Yes, yes. Now audible. Audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So already
Yes,
we
sir.
have, so I have said this is the whole an electron gradient at the junction. So current electron and holes will diffuse. Okay. And you have some diffusion current due to the holes and electrons. Okay. So at the junction, what will be happened? The electron and hole will diffuse and it will be okay. Then at the junction, what will be the changes?
Sir, your voice is
Sir,
breaking.
sir,
Voice is.
Yes, sir. Voice is breaking,
Sir, I
sir.
think you're having some sort of network issue.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now you're audible.
Sir, one doubt I have
So
to
when
ask.
the electrons and
Sir,
holes are
why
getting
J diffusion is negative for holes and positive for the electrons?
already I told that this is the dp by dx, this is the negative. Okay. So J diffusions, this is the, what is the question?
So the question is
This
why
is the
J
negative,
diffusion?
this is the negative concentrations, negative value, dp by dx. Okay. And Q is the whole charge, coulombic charge is positive. But here electronic charge is negative and also the concentration gradient is negative.
Sir,
Okay.
Okay, sir. Achha.
How the holes are diffused? Because holes are immobile now.
No, holes are not immobile. Ions are immobile. Acceptor or
due to their
donor
diffusion, a
ions
potential is created.
I'm coming. So when the holes and electrons are moving across the junctions, they are getting neutralized. Okay. Then what at the junction, what will be remaining? The carriers. Which carriers will be remaining?
No carriers.
Only the
Ions.
ions. Only the ions.
Ions.
Okay. So there is the
Yes,
positive
sir.
ions and some negative ions will be remaining. There will be no, at the junction, there will be no electron and holes. Okay. That is the depletion regions. Because depletion means what? Away from the junctions. So carriers are away or depleted away from the junctions. So that is called the depletion regions. There is no carriers at the junction. Carrier means electrons and holes I am talking about. Only we will have the ions, donor and acceptor ions. So you have here positive ions and here negative ions. So there is a charge, positive charge as a whole and some negative charge. So there, these two charges will make one potential at the junctions. So that is called positive potentials and negative potential. That is called the built-in potential or barrier potential. So as you told that barrier potential is there at the junctions, this built-in potential will be developed and it will block further movement of the electron and holes because barrier potential is developed. So the carriers will not move further. So that is the, at steady state, this built-in or barrier potential will be developed. And if you see the equations, built-in potential or barrier potential KT by Q ln Na by Nd. Na is the acceptor concentrations and Nd is the donor concentrations, and Ni is the intrinsic carrier concentrations. So as
what is
Na
T?
and
Temperature, absolute
T is
temperature.
the temperature, absolute temperatures. You see the Na and Nd, these charge carrier concentrations, because Na and Nd is these ions are the responsible for building the barrier potential at the junction. This is called the barrier potential or built-in potential. Okay. So if you at steady state PN junction, if we again sketch at PN junctions, what you have, you see the whole concentrations other than at the junction. This is the total junction depletion regions. There is no holes. Okay, holes are neutralized in this. Okay, similarly, there is no electrons in this region. There is no electrons in this region. Okay, but you have the acceptors or donor ions and acceptor ions. And if you make the total charge, this positive charge as well as some negative charge. At the, please mute.
Whoever it is, kindly mute.
This positive charge and negative charge at the junctions, as I told, will make the barrier potential which restrict the further movement of the carriers. Carriers means electron and holes. So there will be one, if as it is potential is there, that means we can say that there is also electric field is there. Okay, so the field distribution is peak electric field at the junction point. Where junction is made, the peak electric field is at the junctions. So that is the blocking electric field or barrier electric field and barrier potential or built-in potential, we can say. Okay, so this is the PN junction without
what
bias.
type of questions can come?
First-
Exams, what type of
first you
questions
read-
will come?
First,
भाई.
first you read. Your learning is not for exam only. एग्जाम तो
Okay,
ऑनलाइन
sir.
हो जाएगा, मार्क्स भी मिल जाएगा, क्या है? So this I don't. So I think it is clear that how the built-in potential or barrier potential is developed at the junctions, and it is the format of the.
Sir, आपकी voice बहुत ज़्यादा break.
So what about the PN junction?
Yes, sir, your voice is breaking.
Yes, sir, आपकी voice कट रही.
Now.
Yes, sir. अब ठीक है. Continue.
Okay. So PN junction without bias, some equation you can remember to calculate some numerical value, like how I think you know this. I don't know whether you have studied in class 12 or not. So this is the depletion width. Okay. So what about the depletion width?
Sir, repeat once. It was voice was cutting.
Sir, why p holes does not diffuse towards the right side? Because they are movable. Some p holes from the middle will be diffused. Why from the left side?
Is created, na?
These
Voltage
POs
barrier is
are not moving because a barrier.
barrier potential barrier is created.
Barrier
Please, sir.
potential
Then
has
how?
been developed. That's why
Them.
the further movement of carriers are not possible. For that, we need to apply the bias. As I am telling, this is without bias. Okay. To cross over the barrier, we need to some bias externally. Okay. That I will come.
Okay, sir.
So bias, you can you need to some remember these equations to calculate what is the depletion weight, how to calculate. First you need to calculate the built-in potential. You see, this is the equation is 2 epsilon. Epsilon is the permittivity of your semiconductor. Okay. VBI, already I told, VBI is the barrier potential or built-in potential, this one. And suppose doping concentration, donor ions, Ni is given. So you can easily calculate the built-in potential for a particular PN junctions if doping concentration, or that means acceptor concentration and donor concentration are given to you, and Ni is known to you for silicon, or it is given, or it will be provided, then you can easily calculate the barrier potentials, VBI. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And from there you can calculate the depletion weight, because all the terms are now known to you. The electric constant or epsilon permittivity will be given for whatever the semiconductor will be given, the permittivity will be given. So easy calculation, just how to calculate the depletion weight. Okay. And here you see, if you can consider, if you Na is very, very less than Nd. So different cases you can deal. Okay. If Na is very, very greater than Nd.
Sir,
Okay.
what is
So
Na and
Na
ND?
is very, very, sorry.
What is Na and ND, sir?
Acceptor
So
and
far I
donor
am
and
not told
concentration.
Na.
Acceptor and concentration and donor and concentration.
If you are not listening, I don't have so much time to clear all these 3-4 times. I am repeating these things. Na is the acceptor concentrations and Nd is the donor concentrations. Okay. So if Na is very, very less than Nd, so acceptor concentration is very, very less than Nd, the equation we can modify or simplify this. So what I want to mean, the depletion weight is depending upon here doping on lighter side, inversely proportional to the doping on lighter side. Okay. So what does it mean? If doping is on the lighter side is less, the depletion weight will move towards that side. Okay. Yes. So
sir, here
so suppose
I couldn't understand the last doping on lighter side.
Yeah, I am telling. Suppose this is Na and Nd. These are the uniform. Okay. Then the depletion weight on both sides will be same.
Yes, sir.
Will be same. Okay. If
Yes,
the doping is less than Nd, then on the lighter side depletion will be higher. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it is uniform, the uniform weight will be there, P side and N side. If it is non-uniform, the non-uniform weight, that means if I come to this picture, if I say this distance is xp depletion weight and this is xn on N side, depletion with xp and depletion with xn. So W depletion with is xp plus xn.
XN. Yes.
Okay. So if dopings are both sides uniform, then xp is equal to xn. If the doping are non-uniform, then xp and xn will be different. That I am to say. Lighter doping, depletion will be higher. Okay. So if it is lighter doping side, then depletion would be with more in the lighter doping concentration side. That is the I want to mean this equations. Okay.
Sir, here the epsilon signs.
Am I audible?
On lighter side, then how it is different?
Sorry.
Doping on lighter side.
Suppose for this case. Suppose for this case. Okay. Na is very, very less than Nd. Okay. So your Na side depletion width will be high, this one, and Nd side the depletion will be less. Total depletion width is W. Okay, so this side is higher, this side will be less.
Sir, total will be constant for always.
Total will be, you can calculate total will be constant, but side will be depletion will be higher. Width will be higher. Okay.
Sir, in these equations, the epsilon stands for the absolute permittivity or the relative permittivity of the material?
Absolute.
Absolute permittivity.
Absolute.
Okay. So now what you know, the PN junction with bias. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So PN junction with bias, if you apply the reverse bias voltage means P, this is the P junction, P side, and this is the N side. Suppose this is P junctions. So reverse means your positive one
will be negative.
Connected to the N side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And negative one is P side. Okay.
So holes will be attracted.
Okay. Yeah. So in that case, what will be the depletion width?
Sir, will be less.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Will be more, sir.
More, sir.
Because it is reverse bias, sir.
And it is
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more thing I need to discuss here. I had shown the barrier potential is like this. No? This is the P side. And this is the P side, this is the N side. As I discussed here. You see, this is the barrier potential. Okay. But when I will sketch the energy, electronic energy, how it should be look like? What is energy?
Opposite, sir.
Sir, straight line.
From the potential, how will get the energy?
Sir,
Q times
By
V. Q times V.
multiplying it with charge.
Opposite to that.
Multiplying by charge.
V into dq dt.
So I have to
V into
multiply
dq dt.
I want to multiply the electron
Charge of the ion.
charge.
yes, sir.
So my energy, if it is potential is V, the energy will be
EV.
electron volt
EV.
EV. So I can plot the scales like this energy barrier, because this is the electronic energy negative. So I reverse way I have plot. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the energy EV plot. Okay, so this is called the barrier energy, and this is barrier potential plot.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, it is for negative charge.
Yes, electronic charge I am telling.
Yes, sir.
So that's why when you see the band diagram of PN junction, we draw the energy, this type of band diagram, because this is the area energy. Okay, so
Yes,
when you will apply the reverse bias, okay, so you are applying the reverse bias, but again the barrier will increase. That means your energy barrier will increase. So this is the energy barrier is increased as previously. Whatever the barrier is there, VBI. Now you are applying reverse bias voltage. Here, V reverse. You are applying. Okay. So barrier will further increase in reverse bias. Okay. So there will be, if the barrier is increased, there will be very less current. That is, ideally there should not be current, but some leakage current will be there. Okay. So this is the reverse bias you have the barrier width will increase. This is the expression. Suppose I have to calculate what is the depletion weight in the reverse bias condition. So you have the built-in potential, how much voltage you have applied, all the doping concentrations will be given. Then you can calculate the depletion weight in the reverse bias conditions as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, when PN junction with forward bias, the positive side is applied to the P type and negative side will apply in the N type.
There will be
So
a
in that
repulsion.
case, applied barrier will be reduced.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
barrier will be reduced. That here you see the energy barrier will be reduced. If reduced barrier, then again electrons and holes will come to the drift equation. So drift will take in part here. So current, holes and electron again will start to cross. Okay. So this is the way of forward bias and reverse bias, how to barrier decrease or increase, or potential barrier increase or decreased. Okay. And then I can say this is the already you know this diode equation.
Sir, what is EFP and
diode,
EFP and EFN एनर्जी लेवल डिटरमाइन हो रहा है जिससे उनकी फुल फॉर्म क्या है? What F stands for in previous slide.
Sir, you are not audible.
Hello. This is the Fermi level position P type and N type.
Okay.
P type and N type the Fermi level position. EF already discussed Fermi level. So that I have some form.
Sir, you are not audible properly, sir.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Now audible, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Continue.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is the IB? That is well. This in your class 12. I don't know. I.
Sir, your voice is cracking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is breaking.
Okay, then today I will stop here.
Yes, sir. We have another class, sir, at 11.
Yes, sir. We have another class.
So yes, sir. From 11 we have another
then,
class.
Sunday at 10 a.m. again. Okay, I will finish this portion, my portion. Okay, Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
10 a.m. Please.
Can you share module 2 also?
Thank you. Sorry.
Can you share module 2 also?
Yeah, I will share.
Yes, sir. Have you shared the PPT which you are doing?
Yes, sir. Please.
Module 1 already I have
Yes, sir.
shared. This one also.
Please share all.
Yes, sir. Please share.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Please,
Thank you,
please
sir.
share all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one thing I have to ask
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Book we need to follow.
Thank you, sir.
to make notes like
Thank you, sir.
while teaching, we make notes then or we do it after.